U.S. stock index futures falling ahead of the open as markets around the world turn their attention to the U.S. administration and the future of the nation's involvement in the 2015 nuclear accord with Iran. President Donald Trump expected to speak this afternoon on whether or not the United States is pulling out of the deal. Meanwhile, in the forex market, the euro-dollar is where we begin, and that sees the downside prevail, while the British pound-US dollar pair, that's under pressure and also in focus. The pair breaking below the lower boundary of a bearish flag, calling for further weakness. Short positions below 135.50 are favored, with targets at 134.55 and 134.20 in extension. Onto the US dollar-Japanese yen pair. Intraday, that sees consolidation, while the Bitcoin dollar intraday sees the upside prevail, as long as 92.38 is the support. Pivot point for Bitcoin and Trading Central is 92.38. Meanwhile, in precious metals, gold intraday sees a bullish bias above 13.10, and that's in focus as gold is posting a pullback on its support at 13.10. Long positions above 13.10 are favored, with targets at 13.17 and 13.19 in extension. And lastly, silver intraday sees the bias remain bullish. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV from the New York Stock Exchange on a Tuesday morning, I'm James Swin.